In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how can we use the AI drums, play drums. In here, you can use the play drums by, let's say, you want a specific beat of drums that you want, right? You want to create something of your own, your original that you want, something that you want like to hear. So in here, you can create, and it have different types of types of instrument that you want. Let's say you want it to be sound like a machine. Here, that to hear it like a sound, like the one they use in the DJ. A glitch is more on a sound like a short short squeak of a instrument. And see, they have different modes of instrument that you want, like this underwater. The, if the instrument is underwater, this is likely how it sound. And I have different types of that you can use, different types of way you can make a remix out of phone. Let's say we want a drum kit. So by using this touch pad, where you can highlight the things that you want. Let's say you want a bass drum, you want to create a beat, and I open a hi-hat here. You can listen to the short sound of the instrument being used, like the bass drum snare, like the cymbals. You see, and you can make the sound at the same time. If you want to play them at the same time, then play that you created that. All you need to do is play to hear the whole beat that you create. As you can see, say you want to add that, all you need to do is, in our previous lesson we created this. Say you want to add that at the end part or sound unique. Now, all of the drums that you click that you use will only contain 1 second. Will be all contain, as you see, 27 to 28 seconds. It will only contain 21 second that will add, not like other instrument have 2 seconds per instrument that being played that already created. So that's how you can use it. Now for the AI drums, the AI drums works how the same as the play drums, but this time have the same different types that you can choose. But this time it's going to be created by AI, where it will create a bit for you that you want. Let's say this, that, this, say you want that generate. So when these are generating, the AI will generate the at the start that you want to create. It will figure out how the song or how the tune you want to be. As you can see, created that much. You already created this, but the AI figure out you want something sound like this. So he created a long version for you. This is the chart and this is the AI made. So let's try again with the AI, because when you created with the AI, you can create the intensity that you want. Say want something far more like this, where he can whatever he wants generate the song that you created. So you can see the first part that we used the AI drums, it only created a minimum use of instrument that goes along with the tune that created with the drums. So in this we increase the intensity of using the AI, and it give us a Yeah, it give us the creativity of the AI of creating similar sound to the tune that you create, but he improve it for the the AI things that will match the sound that it creates. So let's hear it. You can see the AI did since we intensely increasity, it's the same as the other one. When we increase the intensity of the AI, it will use a it will use a 2 seconds of the with added 2 second instrument like this one. Even with we don't increase the intensity, it also add a 2 second. That unlike the drums, it only add a 1 second instrument of being played. Let's hear it. As you can see, how can we use the AI? How can we use the play drums function where it can make us add more interesting sound or interesting tune rather than choosing the already pre-made by the code.org song or instrument that you created. So we can use the AI or play drums to create our own tune or song. So that's about it.